Hi, Charles Duncan Waterman here at 308 Ridgewood, just preparing for my open house tomorrow from 1 till 5. But you know, sometimes there's a property that really touches your heart, right? Because of all of the different elements that the designer put together when they were creating this space. Well, right above the garage at 308 Ridgewood is this absolutely secondary owner's suite. Because look at this, the ceilings are about 14-foot ceilings, absolutely magnificent, very private. So we've got it set up as a primary owner's suite or perhaps an in-law suite right now. But listen, this could be a studio if you're an artist or if you work from home. This is exactly what you've been looking for, okay? This beautiful space right here, just take a look at how we've got it laid out. You can certainly see more details of it if you come by our open house tomorrow from 1 till 5 o'clock for sure, and on Sunday as well. Take a peek into this cute little bathroom here. Hope you can see. Just a little peek for now, but I tell you, if you want to see more of this great room and more of this property, for example, at 308 Ridgewood, give me a call. I'm at 416-565-1529 or visit my website at cdwaterman.com. All the best. Bye-bye.